3 questions, no follow-up. Okay. Oh. Ay, ayoko na. I'm okay. Oo. Sabi kasi, di ito lang daw basahin ko. We've already started preparing the moment Franz Castro announced the impeachment plans, which was November of 2023. So November of 2023, there were already lawyers doing their work for the impeachment. So we leave it to the lawyers.
Last question. Last question.
Wala pa tayo doon, ma'am. Masyado pang malayo yung mga ganyan na mga bagay. Nandun pa lang tayo sa pagbabasa ng actually, ma'am, wala pa tayo doon dahil yung mga abogado lang yung nagtatrabaho. Hindi ko talaga alam kung anong ginagawa nila. But I have a meeting with them.
Last question, please.
I do not want to answer that question. Next. I do not want to answer that question. Yes, ma'am. I do not want to answer that question.
Last question. Last question.
Paniwala ko lang, no, if you have to explain or defend your signature in a yes petition for impeachment, then you feel that you have done something wrong. Kasi kung wala ka namang ginawang mali, bakit mo i-defend yung pirma mo?
Thank
So
you.
yun yung paniwala ko.
Ma'am, naniniwala po ba kayo na may gumalaw po for the impeachment? May gumalaw po na parang money involved?
I do not want to answer that question. Yes.
Endorsing senators, lalo na po sa PDP slates, especially that may possibility na mag-overlap yung trial sa next month?
Hindi pa namin napapag-usapan kung ano yung gagawin ko for the upcoming campaign and election. Pero nasabi ko na noon na patuloy yung trabaho namin, and isa sa mga trabaho namin ay gusto namin tumulong sa Commission on Elections in voter education, particularly yung wag mo ibenta yung boto mo, wag gumamit ng dahas during campaign and election day, yung mga ganon.
Ma'am, payo niyo lang po sa ating mga kababayan sa nangyayari po ngayon sa ating bansa.
Yes, sabi ko nga kanina sa statement ko sa ating mga kababayan na patuloy na sumusuporta, nagmamahal, nagdarasal, napakahalaga nun, ay manalig lang sila dahil sa taong bayan ang tagumpay. Anong naakadiri sa Manila na taga Davao man ka?
Thank you, OVP Media.
Yes, sir. Well, may meeting kami mamayang hapon dahil nag-meeting sila kahapon. Hindi ako sumali, so merong briefing, legal briefing mamaya ang mga lawyers. So I will know more this afternoon. Pakikita nyo na yan pagpasok nila ng kanilang entry of appearance.
Ma'am, tuloy po ang trabaho kahit may pinaghahandaan po kayo.
Yes sir, opo. Kakatapos lang po ng planning conference ng Office of the Vice President. So we did it last Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday para po sa 2025 and 2026.
So for 2025, may mga maapektuhan ba na programs ng OVP?
Yes, nag-announce na kami no na wala kaming wala kaming burial and medical assistance dahil tinanggal yung line na yon sa budget eh. So hindi ka na pwede maglagay ng budget doon.
How about the other programs now?
Tutuloy siya.
How confident are you that you won't be convicted in the impeachment court?
Wala pa tayo. Masyadong pang malayo yan, ma'am. Wala pa tayo. Hindi pa natin inaano yan.
Final question, please.
Ina-assess ngayon.
Final question.
Number one for
Nagtanong ka na ba? Kanina? O sige, ikaw.
Final question,
You
Lance.
said before na you're seriously considering to run for 2028. Now na may impeachment na, are you more decided to run in 2028?
Okay. So wala pa tayo dyan. Wala pa tayo dyan. But nasabi ko naman 'di ba? Paulit-ulit kung we are seriously considering that. But it's difficult to decide without numbers. So kailangan malaman yung surveys and numbers. Sa next year pa yun. Oo. Sir, nagtanong ka na? Sir.
Kyodo
Yes,
News,
sir.
Ron.
What are you concerned na yung possible consequence that you can be disqualified from public office kung magkaroon na ng conviction?
Yes, sir. Oo. Alam ko po yung penalties ng impeachment. And the moment na nag-resign ako sa Department of Education, before ako nag-resign sa Department of Education, pinag-isipan ko na lahat yan.